Alrighty, so to fix a ukulele, if it's starting to buzz, I don't know if you could hear that, but so that's because this washer is loose and it's having some fun. We use a 10mm wrench, and so when you are using it, you want to make sure that you just slide it right in, and if it goes beneath the string, that's okay. Just don't tighten it too much. So we want to go righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, so we go, ooh, like this. So we go righty-tighty, right? Righty-tighty, righty-tighty. It's gonna push everything out of tuning a little bit because we're adjusting the actual nuts. So you hear like how it just untuned itself, but there's no more buzzing. So to repeat, that is a 10mm wrench and righty-tighty, lefty-loosey for all of them. Okay, good luck.